it's Natasha and welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful day. Hello and welcome. If you're new, maybe you can hit that subscribe button, that post notification icon, so it notifies you every time I upload a new video. So for today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my room transformation, room extreme makeover, whatever you want to call it. Last time I did this video on my channel, it did fairly well, so I decided to do it again. Basically, my family moved while I was in college, and when I came back because of Corona, they had surprised me. I didn't know they were moving, so I had a new project to do. I thrive off HGTV, home decoration, making places look cute. I love doing that. By any means, I am not an interior designer. I thrive to be on the Mr. Kate level, but I know I only achieved about 65% of that because she is wonderful. However, for now, we got HGTV, Pinterest, and my own DIY hands. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing that I did is that I picked my vibe. I already knew that I wanted to recreate kind of the same vibe and aesthetic that I did the first time, so I went ahead and went on Pinterest because Pinterest saves lives. And we just looked for more room inspiration photos to see what I wanted to do, keeping that same aesthetic, but also maybe bringing different elements into this room. So after I had my Pinterest board down, then I went and sketched out what I wanted to do. So I just grabbed a piece of paper and went ahead and sketched out spatially where I wanted my furniture to go. In this way, I knew what I needed to get and kind of what space I had to work with. So I knew what I wanted to do in my head and I had drawn it out, but I needed to also arrange the furniture to see if I actually had the space I thought I did. So the next step that I did is move the furniture around in the room, the furniture that I already had, to see what furniture I could fit and what furniture I was missing and needed to add to the bedroom. We're interior designers. We are successful decorators. So this is what my bedroom currently looks like. So I was thinking that I was gonna put my bed this way. So I was going to put my desk over here and then maybe put my mirror over there. And originally I was gonna put two pieces of art or like pictures here. They're gonna be 24 by 36. Okay, so today I'm going to just move my furniture so I can get a better picture and a better idea of what I wanna do. Once this step was completed, it was much easier for me to visualize even more what things I needed to add to the room, what other furniture pieces I needed to bring in to keep making the room prettier. And this is when the ordering started. I made orders on Amazon and I also made orders on IKEA. For Amazon, it was just more little stuff, little decor here and there to tie the room together. And then for IKEA was a store that I used for my big furniture pieces. So this was my desk that I ordered, the chair that I'm currently sitting on, and then my bedside cart. Okay, so I'm currently on Amazon. We're getting the stuff, we're getting the goods. Let me show you the things that I have on my cart right now. So unfortunately my computer froze, so I can only show you like over here. So I got a chair, some throw pillows, the covers, the actual throw pillows that I'm gonna be putting inside the covers, and a duvet. Hey guys, so today it is day 2 of room makeover, room decorating, room whatever. We're making it pretty. Basically yesterday I made my order on Amazon and I got all that I needed from there, but for my bigger pieces of furniture like my desk and my chair, I ordered it from IKEA and I made that order today. However, what had happened was I got really excited. I was like, oh my goodness, it's coming Sunday. I can get my room done. I checked again. Here, I checked again, and when it said 31st, I thought it meant April 31st. It meant May 31st. So guess who's not getting her room done for another month? Oh, and that's on IKEA delivery. Okay, so this is the room update for today. Real messy. Here's the thing. I have 2 drawers on each side. So everything that was in those 2 drawers, I had to move it over. So I have things onto my bed that still need a space and a home. I bought like a little caddy for beside my bed for like a nightstand. I'm gonna put this in my closet because this closet doesn't have like a shelf over here. The other side has a little shelf that wouldn't allow me to put it. I'm gonna put it on this side and just move my clothes over. So then I have this space for free. I did order the 2 posters. I'm debating whether to put either the 2 posters here and leave this blank over here, or maybe put the 2 posters there and still get the photo aspect around my mirror, because I think that'd be cool if you take selfies or like any pictures that I take here and I have photos around it. So that's what I'm thinking for that. And then I got my desk that I'm gonna put over here along with the chair with a calendar and all sort of that fun stuff. So this is the overview. But that's the update for today. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of an update for my room. I've got some stuff from Amazon that I wanted to show you guys. Well, some of this is just like essential things that I need for my desk. I don't think anything's like decor. Let's just go through it. First thing is this desk calendar. I wanted the really, really big one, the black and white. You guys seen Alicia Marie? She has this really big calendar over her desk, but that one was like $50. And I was like, I think the desk one works for me. Here it is, I got it out. It's just to put my markers and my pencils for when I study. Put this again for my desk. All of these things are for my desk. Next thing, binder clips, also for my desk. One of these organizers. I have a lot of papers for like all my syllabuses. I got all my school paper on my desk and I don't want to put it in a binder because that's kind of annoying. I just want to like grab it when I need it. So I thought this would be a good idea. Okay, first of all, I wanted a duvet, big, fluffy, thick. Does this speak big, fluffy, or thick to you? This looks like a regular, just like, what is that called? Savana. What's the word for that in English? Savana, sheets. It looks like sheets. So I'm just regular white sheet covers. I'm gonna throw these in the wash and then put it on my bed. So I just got throw pillow covers that were the size 18 by 18 of the pillows that I have. To be honest, these fluffs looked bigger online, but we'll put the pillows in, see what we think, and then if it looks bad, then again, Amazon has awesome returns. Garbage can. I have this exact same one in my room back in Hawaii. So I just got it because I knew it was good. So I'm still waiting for more things to arrive. I actually got my poster holders. So I have the posters that are still on their way, but the frame that's holding it, I got that downstairs. I'm not sexy, I'm just dancing. Esteban, you're supposed to pretend that you're doing it without knowing that the camera, Esteban, they can't even see your face.
Natasha,
Esteban, just
can I wipe my face so it looks good on this?
Okay guys, so I got the posters like I told you last time. I had them in the garage, so I just brought them up and we're taking them out of their packaging.
Now I'm thinking bye.
Para arriba, ey, suavecito para abajo, para abajo, para abajo. Okay, so I got my posters in the poster frame. I got my Honolulu one because that is where I'm going to school right now, and then Toronto because once upon a time I used to live there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these posters up in. Okay, so we have a little bit of an update for the room. The day that we said we're gonna put up the posters, we never ended up doing it. We just took it out of the box. So today we did do the posters. So we got the posters up. They look much bigger, like when they're on the floor, than now that they're on the wall. They actually look smaller on the wall. So I'm kind of glad that we did get the really big ones. And right now, I'm just putting on the white sheets that I got on my bed, and we'll see what that looks like.
Some you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just some you get used to.
Okay, so here's a bed made really quickly. Kind of made it really bad. I just have to fix that or something. But I'm still missing the comforter, or duvet as you call it. I ordered one from Amazon. So I ordered a duvet from Amazon, but it was literally this thin. I was like, absolutely not. So I'm still waiting to find a good one that's like really big and fluffy because I like that hotel bed feel. Maybe even like a weighted blanket would be cool. So I still have to get stuff for that. After my stuff finally arrived to my house, because it took way longer than expected, a whole month later, I was really excited and it was time to assemble. Guess what day it is? It is May 31st, which means the IKEA order is finally here. Let me show you. So the chair was already assembled, and then I remember that I had to record this process. So here is the chair in its full magical glory. Over here I have a box with 2 accessories that I had ordered. So first of all, I got these accessory succulents. Excuse my dog in the back. I thought they were going to be way bigger than they actually are. Kind of disappointed, but I'll see what I can do with these. And then this, I don't know how to describe. It's just like decoration. I don't even have a shelf, so we'll see where this goes as well. And then over here, I have this memo board. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna go ahead and put it over my desk in that wall. I haven't built the desk. I'm gonna go ahead, take this desk out and build it. A couple other things that I got from Amazon. I got this mouse pad. And then I got some twinkle lights and command hooks. So I'm planning to put these twinkle lights over the ceiling over here. Okay, I almost forgot to tell you, I got a little bedside table cart. So I'm gonna go ahead and build that first, and then I'm gonna build my desk, quickly washing my sheets again, just to get like that brand new feel. So when everything is ready, the room is like coming together a little faster.
Around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that now? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting cold.
Okay, so now that everything was assembled, then I moved on to just making sure everything was in the right spot to basically finish up the room.
I don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back.
Okay, hello guys, today it is June 9th and I'm still not done my bedroom. I just got another package from Amazon and this is for my whiteboard. I was gonna put it in the corner right there of my room since I don't have anything and I didn't want it to be just laying down on the floor. So I ordered an easel. So this is actually the second one that I ordered because the first one was too small. So hopefully this one fits and my whiteboard doesn't have to be on the floor anymore.
For sunny shit to brighten up a window so honest you the penny, pick it down like Chevy, new age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you winning.
Okay, I think this one's gonna fit. The issue that I had with the last one is that this part where the whiteboard goes on was like so small and the width of my whiteboard was bigger than that. So this one's way bigger than the last one, so we're gonna go ahead, put it on. It fits. I'm going to lower it a little bit just because it's too high. You can adjust these little things right here, but finally, an easel that works. I'm just gonna go ahead, keep organizing that corner. Still waiting for a couple things for the rest of my room and it is almost done. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you my before and my after so you can see the difference and the transformation that happened in my room. I don't think it's completely done yet. There's always pieces that I'm gonna add here and there, but if I had waited to the moment where I thought it was completely done, this video might have never gone up. So other things that I want to add to my room are a couple of plants. Right now it's very like black and white and basic. I just want to add a little bit more color, but something that's not too loud and also just bring some greenery to bring some life into the room. I just like want to have more life into my room. Right now it's like a little bit monotone. So that's what I plan to do in the future. So that is my room finally completed. I started this project about a month or a month and a half ago. It took a very long time just because my IKEA order took so long to come in, and even though it took this long, I'm still not completely done my room. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration for your room as well. This was my quarantine at room makeover, transformation, glow up, pizzazz, yes. Woo! I don't know what that was, but you know, a little, the room just got a little, before it was like, now it's like, you know? So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on any video you guys want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at natasha.matherin, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.